Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Global markets have been feeling the heat as US bond yields surged and a strengthened dollar hit a 6-month high following the Federal Reserve's hawkish tone last week. The yen was also nudging towards the closely watched 150 per dollar level. Blockchain intelligence platform Arkham recently identified that crypto exchange Coinbase holds almost 1 million Bitcoin in its wallets. The coins are worth more than $25 billion at current market prices for BTC, and these holdings amount to almost 5% of all existing Bitcoin. E-commerce giant Amazon said it will invest up to $4 billion in artificial intelligence firm Anthropic and take a minority ownership position in the company. The move underscores Amazon's aggressive AI push as it looks to keep pace with rivals such as Microsoft and Alphabet's Google.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT, the US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT, the US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 1300 hours GMT. The US new home sales will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT, Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.